Use a T20 bit to loosen the 10 screws securing the service cover. Open the battery box cover and then remove the service cover. The LMX 7600 SP has two blade motors. The left motor is connected to the left motor PCBA, and the right motor is connected to the right motor PCBA. It features a dual battery box, a BMS or a battery management PCBA, a self-propelled PCBA, a power control PCBA, and a Hall electric assembly. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 5 screws on each side to remove the motor covers. Use a T20 bit to loosen the screw securing the cord clamp to access the connectors. Unplug all connectors and replace any parts as required. The Hall electric assembly is covered by the right side plate. Therefore, the handle assembly and the right side plate need to be removed first. Use a 13mm socket wrench to separate the rear right wheel from the mower. Use a 13mm socket wrench to loosen the 3 bolts securing the support plate. Use a T20 bit to loosen the other 2 screws. Use a 4mm hex bit to loosen the 2 screws at the top. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the E-ring. Pull the handle and remove the right side plate and the Hall electric assembly is exposed. Use a T20 bit to loosen the screw. Disconnect the connection between the Hall electric assembly and the right main PCBA. Then the Hall electric assembly can be replaced. Place a new Hall electric assembly into the deck. Use a T20 bit to secure it with the screw. Reassemble the right side plate in the reverse order of disassembly. Install the E-ring. Use a 4mm hex bit to tighten the 2 screws securing the support plate. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 2 screws. Use a 13mm socket wrench to tighten the 3 bolts. Rotate the lock button clockwise to tighten it and secure the right handle in place. Use a 13mm socket wrench to mount the rear right-hand wheel. Plug the connectors in and place them into the traps. Reposition each of the electrical assemblies back onto the deck. Place the right main PCBA marked by the green base into the mounting pocket. Reconnect the power cable between the right main PCBA and the blade motor. Reconnect the wires between the right main PCBA and the LED headlights assembly from the front cover. Route the wiring harness for the handle assembly through the bottom of the handle. Reconnect the wires between the right main PCBA and the handle assembly. There are 2 wires connected to the BMS PCBA on the left. Route the corresponding wires of the BMS PCBA through the top cover, extend them to the right side of the mower, then connect them to the main PCBA on the right. Plug the Hall electric assembly connector into the right main PCBA. Secure all the connectors into the traps. Place the BMS PCBA into the pocket. Plug the 3 connectors between the BMS PCBA and the battery connecting wire assembly. Plug the power cables and communication wires connector. Place them into the pocket. Secure the wiring connecting the BMS PCBA to the right main PCBA into the traps. Place the left main PCBA with the black base into the pocket. Reconnect the power cable between the left main PCBA and the blade motor. Connect the power cables between the left main PCBA and the BMS PCBA. Place the connector into the pocket and secure the cables in the traps. Use a T20 bit to mount the cord clamp. Place the self-propelled PCBA into the pocket. Connect the power cable between the self-propelled PCBA and BMS PCBA, then secure it with a zip tie. Plug the left main PCBA connector to the BMS PCBA. Plug the other connector to the self-propelled PCBA. Place the two wiring connectors into the pocket and properly arrange the wires. Place the power control PCBA into the pocket. Connect the self-propelled motor cable. Connect self-propelled PCBA to the power control PCBA. Secure the cables and connector. All wires and connectors should be secured in the traps, reducing the risk of pinching. Use a T20 bit to assemble the right motor cover with 5 screws. Repeat the procedure on the other side. Before closing the service cover, place the cable set of the handle assembly into the traps of the right blade cover. Insert the cable set through from bottom of the handle assembly. Use a T20 bit to install the service cover with 10 screws.